Hi friends, this is Sarah from Crafting and Relaxing. Welcome. Thank you so much for joining me for October's Smash That Small Pad. This is a collaboration put on by Bourbon Creek Crafts, who is Beth here on YouTube, and Stampin' Cat joins us on Instagram. This month I smashed apple cider, which coincidentally I think Stampin' Cat Kathy used last month. It came into my life and I had seen hers and thought, oh, that looks so fun. And it was fun, kind of a thinner paper, not used to that. I made a process video. I haven't edited it yet, but I think it's probably decent. It's really long. I'm just going to go through the cards quickly. There are scraps on the inside, and I made 19 of them. And I was thinking I would watch TV and add fun embellishments, but I sort of did some as I cleaned up. And you look at that little tiny gold strip. It does add a little something. I have some enamel dots that I might add, but other than that, I think I'm pretty good. See, this one still needs a little something. Thanks. I have a lot of thanks, some hello fall. I had to use cream card bases on the last two. This one would have been so cute on white, but I ran out of white. I do like this one, even on cream, super cute. Thanks. Another thanks. I was trying to use those up. Happy fall, and I added some leaves there. Thankful, grateful, blessed. Thanks with a big fun sparkly leaf. That's actually out of bulletin board border that I got on clearance at Hobby Lobby for, I don't know, something crazy cheap. And that stuff die cuts really well. Happy Thanksgiving. And I put that little give thanks down there and then added a leaf. Fabulous fall days. I love this one. I tried some embellishments. I didn't love them, so I just left it. I said a prayer for you today. I added a leaf. Added another leaf too. I said a prayer for you today after the process video. And hello fall with a leaf. I used a lot of leaves. I have about 1 million more. I think, Kathy, it's probably a good thing we don't live near each other because I probably shouldn't buy anything fall for about 5 years. I don't need Happy Mail, you guys. I promise. Okay, so that's my 19 cards for Smash That Small Pad. These are my scraps. I had hope for these two, but it just didn't pan out, and I was tired. So be sure and check out what Beth and Kathy made. The links will be down below. And thanks so much for watching. And like I said, there should be a process video. There should also be videos of the travel journals soon. But since I haven't actually filmed them, we'll see. Have a great week. Bye-bye.